In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter the multi-select drop-down feature in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing data, compiling a report, or just trying to find information quickly, this technique will make your life a lot easier. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Google Sheet where you plan to implement this feature. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and fire up your preferred browser. Navigate to Google Sheets and open the specific file you're working on. Once you've got that open, we'll move to the next step. Now, locate cell E3 on your sheet. With your data prepared, this is where we'll input our formula to get everything set up. Click on cell E3 to make it active. It's important that you're in the right cell, as this is where our formula magic is going to happen. Next, you'll want to type in the following formula exactly as shown. Actisa filter, A2C, rejects match, C2C, rejects replace, E2, bas. What this formula does is it filters data in the range A2 to C based on the condition defined by the rejects match. Essentially, it checks for matches in column C against the criteria you indicate in cell E2. The rejects replace part is crucial as it converts a list of multi-selections in E2 into a pattern that the rejects match function can understand, using what's essentially an OR condition. Once you've carefully typed in the formula in cell E3, go ahead and hit the Enter key. This action prompts Google Sheets to process the formula, and you should immediately see the changes reflected on your sheet. With this step, your data is dynamically filtered based on the multi-select drop-down choices. Now, for the final tweak to our setup, we'll unselect a specific entry to see how this impacts the filtered data on the sheet. In this example, let's remove Alice from our selection criteria. Go back to the drop-down in cell E2, unselect Alice, and then observe how the filtered results in cell E3 adjust accordingly. This interaction helps verify that the filtering mechanism is working precisely as intended. There you have it. With this setup, you can now filter your data in a Google Sheet using a multi-select drop-down efficiently. By understanding and applying this formula, you gain more control over how your data is organized and displayed. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Feel free to explore other combinations and see how this powerful tool can further streamline your data management tasks. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy spreadsheeting.